As the start of a new school year gets closer, the COVID-19 concern is once again mounting. The conversation surrounding mandatory masks in schools only getting louder this week. But Governor Greg Abbott has said he will not allow districts to require them. Some state Democratic lawmakers are now pushing back as the Delta variant continues to spread. They've written a letter urging the governor to change course.
25 News reporter Alston Walker spoke with local parents on what they have to say when it comes to their children's safety. Austin, thank you. The Texas State Teachers Association is pushing Governor Abbott to allow schools to require masks in the fall. It comes after the American Academy of Pediatrics has recommended anyone over the age of 2 wear a mask in school. On Tuesday, the CDC also recommending indoor masks for teachers, staff, and students, as well as visitors to all schools regardless of vaccination status. Governor Abbott's executive order regarding masks and government entities like public schools went into effect June 5th. According to the order, any entity that tries to impose a mask mandate can be fined up to $1,000. At the time of the announcement, the TSTA called the move, quote, premature.
Now, the TEA also laying out guidance for schools regarding positive cases on campus this year. A positive case must immediately be reported to the local health department. The school also has to notify the state health department. The TEA says that while masks cannot be mandated, schools must allow individuals to wear one if they want to. The last school year was tough for elementary and middle school students. Research from an education research organization shows that they are returning to the classroom this fall with lower math and reading levels than they had. Researchers say students in high poverty areas fell even more behind. When looking at all grade levels, students did make some academic progress, but not as much as years before. Hospitalizations and the state's positivity rate are both up to levels we have not seen since the spring. Just under 5,000 Texans are in the hospital with COVID. The positivity rate across the state, 14.6%, putting the state in the red zone. The state health department says 99.5% of these COVID deaths since February are among people who are unvaccinated.
COVID cases and hospitalizations are on the rise here in Central Texas, and health professionals are, of course, concerned. 25 News reporter Adam Schindler shows us what doctors in Bell County are now saying. Adam, thank you. Baylor Scott & White is going to require its employees to be fully vaccinated by October 1st. In a statement to 25 News, the hospital group cites the rapidly rising case counts and the highly contagious Delta variant combined with the start of flu season as reasons behind the mandate. Now, as we've told you this week, cases are surging across the state. In fact, they're 5 times higher in McLennan County now compared to last month. So take a look at case numbers here in other counties. Right now, as I just said, McLennan County, the case count is 28,000 there. Here in Bell County, you can see the case count, 26,533 cases just in Bell County. Brazos County is reporting 28,591. Limestone County, 2,953 there. Falls County, 2,115. Coryell is reporting 7,724. Williamson County, over 49,000, almost approaching 50,000. So that's a lot of cases there in Williamson County. Freestone County, more than 2,000 cases. And then let's see, Bosque County, 1,764. So again, these cases are picking up. And so I just want to reiterate the importance of getting your vaccine shot. Todd.
All right, Naya. Well, in Navarro County, a pastor says his fight against COVID-19 has changed his perspective on the vaccine. His story is one of life and death, and he's urging everyone to consider vaccination so his experience doesn't become your experience. The pastor is still recovering, but says he should be cleared to get vaccinated in about a month. He urges everyone who has any kind of doubts to talk to their doctor. Let's look at statewide vaccination numbers. More than 61% of the population of Texas has been vaccinated with at least one shot, according to the state health department. 12.6 million Texans are fully vaccinated, with another 14.7 getting that initial dose. So far in Bell County, around 660 shots have been done this week, and in McLennan County, the number is about 440.
The state health department is giving out some big bucks for local vaccinations. In fact, they're giving out $10 million. The Texas Vaccine Outreach and Education Grant gives up to $150,000 to groups getting the word out on vaccines. State officials hope educational and faith-based groups, as well as nonprofits, apply for that funding. Visit KXXV.com for more details.
Pfizer is releasing new data on a booster shot. Researchers say a third shot created 5 times more antibodies against the Delta variant in people 18 to 55. People over 65 had 11 times more antibodies. The findings have not yet been peer-reviewed, and the CDC continuing to say that a booster shot is not needed at this time.